Chapter 10 Database Lesson 10.1 Part Database Design. In Database Design lesson, we are going to find out what records and fields are. We are going to talk also about data and information about entities, tables, records, and fields. This information is found on pages 254 and 255. Let's start. What is database? Data can be facts and figures as numbers related to you or to any object. Example: name, age, height, weight, file, and pictures. These are all called data. Name, age, height, and weight are data related directly to the person. As for file and picture, this could be an attached file to that data found. Database contains all these data. So, what is database? Database is a way to store data such as name, age, height, weight, file, and picture in an organized way. What is this organized way? It is in the form of a table, as you could see here in this figure. This table will include the data we talked about previously in order to retrieve it later. This part of the table is called column, and this part is called row. Let's check this example. A Facebook needs a database in order to store all the data related to the members. The members are the ones who use Facebook, and they are called the users. And it will store their friends on each member's page on the Facebook. Also, it will store the messages that each member receives. It will also store the activities that the member uses on his Facebook page, and also it will store his or her photos. Facebook stores all this information in a database. Now let's take this example. The telephone company also needs a database to store its information. The information is about its users. For example, their names, their phone numbers, their addresses, and their invoices. All this information, as we have said previously, needs database. Let's check this example how a database works. A university database includes information. The information that a university stores could be information about its students, information about the teachers, and information about the courses involved in this university. Let's talk about the students in the university. The information to be stored about the students could be the ID number. An ID number is a unique number given to each student. No two students could have the same number. The name, the phone number, his or her course, and the major he or she is in. As for the teachers, the information to be stored in the database could be the name, the course she or he teaches, and the phone number. We could also store many other data that refers to each member in this university. As for the courses, we could store in the database the course number the teachers teach each course and which classroom this course is. Each database has a name. Example here, the database is called university. Students, teachers, and courses are the tables in this database, as we could see here in this figure. Therefore, we have in this database 3 tables, and each table has a name: students table, teachers table, and courses table. The information in these 3 tables are called fields, such as the ID number, name, phone number, etc. Let's check how could we create this database now. First of all, we create the table and name it. Example, students table. Then we add the fields in this table in this way. After that, we will start to fill each field with the information collected about each student in this university. Example, the first data is ID number 1. His name is Jad, the phone number is written, and of course the course name. This part is called the row. The information in this row is called record. And the heading above, as we have said previously, are the fields. And each data inside the table is called entity. Therefore, record is the data in the whole row, a field is the heading, and the entity is each data in the row. Now we are done with this lesson, database design.